Good morning, dear classmates. This is Mr. Ho talking about permutation, which is a question similar to supplementary exercise question number 17. So we are required to rearrange the keyboard, find the number of permutations so that the first letter is K or D. The first letter is K or D. Now, so we should consider the problem this way. Suppose the first digit is K, the first letter is K. Then the rest we can take out from the 7 alphabets to arrange 4 of them. Okay, so the number of ways will equals to, the first is K, we have one choice. Okay? However, how about the first is D? Okay? So we can also repeat the same for D. And therefore the answer is 7p4 times 2, which is equal to 7 factorial over 7 minus 4 factorial times 2. So let's simplify this one. This is 7 factorial, let's move it, okay? 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 2, which is equals to, which is equal to 7 times 6 times 5 times 4, okay, for the 7 factorial over 3 factorial, and then times 2, which we get the answer of, okay, I have to use the calculator again, which is 42 times 40, which is equal to 1680. Then for part B, the last two letters are neither B or R. Now notice that the last two letters must not be B or R. Must not be B or R. Well, all we need is all choices minus. Now, let's think about the opposite of neither B or R. Okay? Okay? Now, B or R. Neither B or R. Now, if we think like this, neither B or R, okay, is the opposite must be B or R? Unluckily, no. Okay? Because the opposite of neither B or R can be BO. Alright, so if we attack the problem in this way, we will make a mistake. And therefore, we must think like this. The last two letters must not be B or R. So if we ignore B, ignore R, we have 6 choices here. And then, again, since we have the last two letters not B or R, the last one must be 6 or 5. Oh, sorry, 6 times 5 choices. We have only 5 choices for the last letter. Then for the first 3 letters, well, since they can be B or R, okay, back into that. But we have used up 2 alphabets already. So we have 6 choices here. Well, similar for the rest. Okay? And therefore, the number of ways we use to 6 times 5 times 4, and then times 6 times 5 again. Of course, we use the calculator, and I have to switch out the calculator again. Okay, let me do it. 30 times 4 times 30 again. Oh, so it's 3,600. And part C, the first and the last letters are vowels. Okay, so let's look at part C. The first and the last letters are vowels. So let's look at all the vowels here. This is a vowel, this is a vowel, this is also a vowel. The first and last letters are vowels. So the first one is a vowel. We have 3 choices. Wait, why I changed the pen color? Okay, the first choice is 3 choices. And then the last choice, we have used up 1 vowel already, so we have only 2 choices. Now, for the middle alphabets, we can use whatever we like. We have a total of 8 alphabets, and we have used up 2 already. So 6 choices here, 5 choices, and 4 choices. And therefore, the number of ways we use to 3 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 2. So we will get 720. Okay, am I right? Yes, correct. Okay, 720. Right, so this is it.